Hey everyone, so today I wanted to do a review on La Riche Directions CERISE. See that? It's a very, very pretty deep pink shade. This is what it looks like. I did the back of my hair with it, so as you guys can see, it ended up being very, very bright actually. It actually turned out to be a very bright fuchsia-y pink, but it's definitely not as bright as some other shades I've had. I've had it in my collection for a while, so I wanted to try it, and I definitely think that it actually goes well with the purple, so I'm quite happy with it. But personally, the one thing I don't like about Directions hair dye is the tub is small. But personally, if you live in Canada like me, order off of eBay because it's literally like less than 10 bucks per thing. And I really enjoy the formula. I find that it stays decently well. Of course, you'll want to rinse your hair out with cold water to keep your hair as fresh and vibrant as possible. But even so, I'm sure it lasts well from what I can remember. This is the first time I've used this particular color, and I actually have to say I really, really enjoy it. Like, I may end up doing my hair this entire color next time because I like it. It's something fun and different. I don't really have any cons about this hair dye. I definitely think that other than the price, everything is worth it. So if you can find it for, you know, a good steal, definitely try it out and see how you like the formula. I'd like to mention, I'm not a professional. I just do this for fun. I've been dyeing my hair for over 10 years. No, that's a lie. Just about 10 years. See you guys in this video. Bye!